Welcome! Today we're diving deep into the world of data and information. Have you ever wondered what exactly data is and how it transforms into valuable information? In this video, we'll demystify this concept and explore the fundamental differences between data and information. Understanding this distinction is not only essential in our data driven world, but also a key to making informed decisions and extracting meaningful insights from the vast ocean of digital information. So let's get started and unlock the secrets of data and information. Let's start by what are data? We often hear the word data used in many ways. It's the stuff that gets collected, analyzed, shared, and even sometimes hacked or bought and sold. But what does data really mean? Well, it's basically information that comes from observations or measurements like numbers, words, or pictures. So, when we talk about data, it's not just about numbers. It can also be things like notes, videos, recordings, photos, documents, or transcripts. What counts as data depends on what you're looking into. For example, if you're studying how wildfires affect national parks, your data may be maps and images. While if you're checking how many colleagues students graduate when they have mentors, your data could be the number of graduates each year and how long it takes them to finish school. So, data can be all sorts of things depending on what you're studying. Now, let's discover what is information. Information is the transformative result of taking raw data and giving it structure, purpose, and significance. It's akin to taking a jigsaw puzzle, arranging the pieces truthfully, and unveiling the complete picture. Now let's discover the main differences between data and information. Data is generally raw and organized and unfiltered, while information is refined, structured, and involved from raw data. Data compresses all the elements or facts required for analysis, whereas information puts those facts or elements into context. Data is independent of information, whereas information is dependent on data for its creation. Data on its own is meaningfulness, while information is meaningful, it is derived from analyzed and interpreted data. Data alone is not sufficient for decision making, whereas information is sufficient and provides the basis for informed decision making. So, for example, a book contains words. The words are the data, and as one reads the book to completion, one infers what the book is about, and this is the information.